Hey everyone, welcome to today's math lesson. Today's math lesson is going to be a review of what we did last week. Okay, excuse me, the week before we left. Okay, so long story short, this is literally copy and pasted from what we did before. Okay, um, now uh, here is the moral of the story. Okay, anywhere you see multiplication, you think plus. Okay, anywhere you see multiplication, you think plus. Okay, and anywhere you see division, you think minus. Okay, and the reason is because we repeated a bunch of times before break. The reason is because, um, let me just create some space down over here. Let me put a dotted line like that. Perfect. Okay, the reason is because we remember logs are related to exponents. I'm going to say that one more time. Logs are very related to exponents. So if we think back to exponents, okay, exponents, okay, when you have x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 5, you end up getting x to the power of 3 plus 5, which is x to the power of 8. So anywhere you see times with exponent, you think plus. And because exponents are related to logs, okay, same deal applies. Anywhere you see times, you think plus. Okay, now when it comes to division of exponents, let's pretend we have x to the power of, let's go 5 over x to the power of 3. Okay, I always said this, you guys heard me say this a million times, anytime, well, we have 5x's on top, 3x's on bottom. After canceling, okay, how many x's are left over? Okay, 5 on top, 3 on bottom, 2 x's are left over on top. Okay, and essentially what we did, okay, was do x to the power of 5, okay, minus 3. Okay, x to the power of 5 minus 3. And we got x to the power of 2. Okay, let me move this right here to the center more so, like that. Okay, should look like that, and this equal sign should be right here. Okay, so let me repeat that for the fifth time. Anywhere you see times, you think plus. Okay, and vice versa. Anywhere you see plus, you think times. And conversely, anywhere you see division, you think minus, and vice versa. Okay, anywhere you see minus, you think division. Okay, and because of the laws of exponents are related to the laws of logs. Okay, that's a review. Now let's look at this. Okay, we did this before, but I just want to make sure that we all understand it. Again, you see a minus sign, which means you should be thinking division. Okay, so we should have log base 3 of 10 over 5. Okay, all right. Same deal here. You see, let's make this a plus, okay, to make things a little bit quote unquote harder. Anywhere you see plus, you think, you guessed it, multiplication. So 18 times 6, okay, which becomes log base 4 of 108. Okay? All right. Now, let's use the same idea here. Okay, we have log base b. Anywhere you see a plus, you think times. So I'm going to go u times v, ultraviolet UV. And anywhere you see minus, okay, you think division. U W, okay, division because of this minus. So let me put in some highlights here, okay? Let me put in some highlights. So this came from that, and this right here relates to that. Okay, let me make that a little darker. All right, and now what happens to the u's? Well, they cancel. Okay, they cancel. Okay, so our final answer is log base b of v as in Victor over w. Okay, all right. Let's go ahead and do this bottom right example over here. Okay, I'm going to have log base b. Anywhere you see minus, you think division. 4x over 3y. Anywhere you see plus, you think times. Okay, all right. So as of right now, what we have is log base b of 4x y over 3y, and the y's cancel over here. Okay, so our final answer is going to be log base b 4x over 3. Okay, all right. So um, here's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to do these problems the same exact way. Okay, whoops. And I will post answers to these on a PDF. Okay, so the problems are going to be on a PDF. I mean, these slides that you've already saw are going to be in the PDF, and the answers will also be on the PDF. Okay. Tomorrow, one thing I forgot to say was tomorrow from 9 o'clock to 9:40, I'm gonna have a Zoom meeting with you guys. Okay, and this Zoom meeting is meant to be only 10 minutes, just to check in with you to make sure you know how to log into Zoom. And future Zoom meetings are going to be meant for you to just be able to ask me questions. I don't plan on giving lessons and lectures through Zoom. Okay, I want to be able to just answer your questions. So if you don't have any questions for future Zoom meetings, not tomorrow, I want everyone to attend tomorrow's. But in the future, after tomorrow, if you don't have any questions, then you don't need to attend the Zoom meetings. They're just meant to be they're just meant to be a time slot, a place, I should say, where you can ask me questions. Okay, I'll send out an announcement with the meeting ID and the password. Okay, and we'll take it from there. So stay tuned. Okay, thank you for listening.